Hi guys, what's up? It's Sky85 back in another unboxing, and this time as you can see it's for Car Mechanic Simulator. So yeah, I picked this up today. Quite looking forward to playing this. I do like my niche games. Yeah, I do like games that are on the niche side. So basically you play as a car mechanic. You're fixing cars. So yeah, you can also buy them from junkyards and stuff as well as doing normal jobs. But there's Jeep are licensed in this, and so are Mazda, so that'd be cool. Can't wait to fix up an MX-5. There's the side. There's the back. Buy, repair, sell. Develop your career. 40 models. 48 car models. So it is Xbox One X enhanced. It's up to 8 gig storage, which is nothing. And inside, we just have the disc. So yeah, that's it for my quick unboxing of Car Mechanic Simulator, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.